Let's go outside.
I'm using these beautiful bowls. These are the bowls
We
that
can
match
hang
my
out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
Hello friends, welcome back to Glam Designs by Anne. I am your gracious host Anne, and today I'm bringing a little bit of holiday inspiration to share with you. Some of you may still be decorating or now starting to decorate for the holiday seasons this year. So I wanted to bring a tablescape decorating idea to you, but in today's video I'll be using my island as my tablescape because my dining room table is already decorated for the holidays this year, and I didn't want to take everything down and then have to put it back. And the style that I'm actually going with suits the island much better, but you can definitely, translate this idea to your dining room, or if you have like a kitchen table. So I'm going to share a few things that I'll be using to create this look. So I have two sets of garland. I got these garlands from Temu, and then I have these beautiful glasses that I recently purchased from Walmart. They are so gorgeous. I love the detailing on them and the shape of how they look. Really, really pretty. And it is by the company. It is by the company, or not company, but it's by the brand Libby, Libbey, and it is called Cubist. Cubist, and this one is the cooler glasses, the goblets, and then this one is your whiskey glass. And like I said, I just love the shape and how the glass looks, and they're pretty thick, so great quality, and they were like under $20. And they come in a set of 12, so you get 6 of these ones, and then you get 6 of the whiskey glasses. So my island sits 3, and I have these beautiful kind of neutral brownish khaki sort of gold tone mats. I got them in a set of 6 from Amazon, so I'll be using these, seeing that my palette for this year is black and gold. And then I have these chargers. These ones come in a set of 6, and I have the other 4 styled on my dining room table. I think I got these from Amazon as well. And then because I have the other 4 on the dining room table, I'll be using this one for the middle setting. I also got 6 of these from Amazon, either Amazon or from Michael's. And I have, yeah, and these come in a set of 6. The reason why I can't use these ones is because I took 5 of them and I spray painted them last year or the year before in a red color to suit my palette that I was using for the holidays. And you don't necessarily have to mix and match. You can use different chargers once you stay within the color theme. So those are the mats and the chargers that I'll be using for this setting. And I'll also be using my gold flatware. These are also from Amazon. And I have my black napkins that I'll be using. I got those from Amazon as well. And I have these cute snowflake napkin rings. I got these from Amazon. I don't have them in gold, so I'll be mixing my metals and using the silver ones instead. I'm using these beautiful bowls. These are the bowls that match my dinnerware plates and salad plates that I'm currently using on my dining room table. And then these gorgeous black and white salad plates came from the Dollar Tree. And then these are the bigger plates, also from the Dollar Tree. You can also get the bowls that go with these as well, but I only purchased the plates and the salad plates. So I've kind of already put my 2 sets of garland in place, as you can see here. Let me move this out of the way. I've already sort of like styled the garland in place. And you guys will see the other holiday decor that I'll be placing. I'm going to be using some cones to style this area and possibly some lights. But yeah, I've already placed 2 sets of garland here just to thicken it up, add some more dimension and some more fullness to it.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans.
So I have these black and gold candlesticks holders I got from Amazon. They come in a set of 2, and I purchased 2 sets of them like a year or so ago. And then I have these battery operated sort of realistic looking candles with the wax dripping down. I have about 6 of them. The first set came in a set of 3, and then I liked them so much that I went ahead and I purchased a second set of 6. So I'm going to be placing them sporadically throughout the this area here where I have the garland.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is how my islandscape slash tablescape turned out, and it's so beautiful. I did make a few changes off camera because I didn't really like how things flowed. It wasn't giving me that zhuzh that I was looking for. So I did switch out the silver snowflake napkin ring for these beautiful ones that I also have in silver. I purchased those from Amazon a few years back, and I also switched out my charger from the gold ones to this black one. And you can get these in a few different colors on Amazon. They also come in gold. I have them in red and silver. You can get them in gold. You can get them in green and so many different colors on Amazon. I did, however, keep my placemat because if you look closely at the placemat, it does have those sort of gold tones and shimmer to it. The camera is probably not picking it up, but in person you can see a little bit of shimmer in the table mats right in this area here. But yeah, and then I also switched out the candle holders that I had in black and gold for these beautiful modern black ones that I purchased from Amazon a few years back. Yes, and then I added this beautiful string light. The string light is from Temu as well, and I just love how everything turned out. It looks so gorgeous, so beautiful. And if I could keep this style like this, I would, but unfortunately it's my kitchen island and I can't. But I just love how gorgeous it looks. It goes really well with the rest of my home and how I've styled it with the black and gold with the gold accents throughout my home for the Christmas holidays, but this is something that you can definitely replicate and add to your dining room table. Like I said in the beginning of the vlog, my table is round and the running a garland down the middle looks really weird. It looks like I've placed a table runner and it just hangs to the side. So it doesn't give me this. So like I was saying, guys, creating a look like this on my dining room table doesn't give me the same gorgeous outcome as it does on this kitchen island. And like I said, my table's round and it's not in this sort of square shape that the island is in. And running a garland down it looks so weird. It looks like I've tossed a table runner in the middle of my dining room table and it just hangs on each end. But I love how this turned out. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and share. It may give, your friend or family some tips and ideas for their own holiday decorating this year. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you think. And if you enjoyed these types of video, cleaning motivation, DIY, and just getting that luxe look for less, but doing it on a budget while decorating your home, definitely subscribe and double tap your bell to get more videos, as well as to get notified whenever videos go live on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for becoming a family member here on Glam Designs by Anne. And to all of my returning OGs, thank you all so much for tuning in today. I love you all for watching. I'll be back on Sunday. I'm going to take a little break for the weekend because I have a few things to do. And, I'm a mommy and I'm also a caregiver. So I'm really, really busy. And doing Vlogmas every day can be really hard because you have to sort of like vlog all of your videos, film them in the morning, and then edit so you can upload them. This video is going to be a little bit late today because I didn't get to finish it up until later on in the afternoon. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. But I really, really love how this looks. It's so beautiful. And I love that I was able to switch out the candle holders from the black and gold one to these beautiful modern looking ones from Amazon that go really, really nicely with the tree cones. And also switching out the charger and the napkin rings just makes everything so cohesive and so beautiful and so festive and magical for the holiday season. Thank you all for tuning in today. I love you for watching. Happy holidays. Have a beautiful and blessed evening, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.